This video teaches you how to use the AutoSum and Sum functions in Excel. Using the AutoSum function, insert a blank column or blank row after your data. Use the mouse to highlight the data you want to sum. Press the keyboard shortcut for AutoSum. Press Alt plus equals. You can also run AutoSum on the selected data by clicking the AutoSum option on the Formulas tab. Using the Sum function, click the first blank cell after the numbers you want to add. Type the beginning of the sum formula. Select the numbers you want to add in the first row or column. Type a closed parenthesis and press Enter. Drag the sum down the column or across the row. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.